Hello everybody. In this tutorial, we will see for loops in VBA. There are two types of for loops in VBA. First one is for each and next, and the other one is for next loops. If you want to loop through all cells in a range or all worksheets in a workbook, for example, we can use for each and next loops. Let's make an example. I prepared a very simple data and I want to count the total positive numbers in this range, and this is very suitable for our for each example. Let's do it. Set our range. We want the total numbers of positives in our range, so we need a variable. The loop, and we want to show the result at this cell. Okay, after I run my macro, I will see the result, the total positive numbers in this range at this cell. Yes, as you see, the result is correct. And this was our for each and next loop. Okay. The other for loop is for and next loop. This is useful when we want to, for example, print numbers from 1 to 10 in this range. We can use for next loops. Let's do another example. This is our start point, starting from row 1 to 10 to row 10. Row, this is column, and after I run my macro, it will print numbers from 1 to 10. Run it. You see, very simple. And sometimes we want to get some results like this, and this requires nested loops, nested for loops. Let's make an example and let's try to get the same result with a macro. Here. Our first for loop, inner for loop. Okay. I want the first loop to go from 1 to 10 vertical direction, and then the inner loop to A to J, 1 to 10 again, in horizontal. Clear here first. This macro. As you see, get the same result. This was the nested loops, and sometimes for a reason we want to exit our for loop, and we can do it with exit for. I've prepared a sample here. I want to calculate the total sales of salesperson until D, person D, and I want our for loop to exit, because I don't want to calculate the rest of the team, sales team, and we can use exit for here. Let's see it. Our start point is 2, and we're going to until 15. Let's first do the calculations. I want to see the total sales for these 4 person. Let's calculate them. I don't want to calculate after D. calculate till here, this point, and then export on our macro. Yes, it worked correctly. And one last thing I want to show you, we want our code to be organized, and in the future, if we want to edit our code for some reason, we want to do it very quickly. And as you see, this is we're repeating the same things all over again, and if in the future I need to change the sheet name, I need to correct them, edit them all the times, and if we have thousands of lines of code, it's going to be a huge problem. So let's make it like that. And run our macro again. You see it's working. And in the future, if I change this to this, and here, just with a single change, you see, yes, like this. Okay, that's all. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching. Bye.